Today, I will explain whether it's possible to run the DC inverter air conditioner's compressor in reverse. By reverse, I mean that the suction becomes discharge and the discharge becomes suction. Is this possible? And in what situation would this reverse operation occur? When this mistake happens, the compressor will operate in reverse, but no pressure will be generated, and the cooling or heating system will not function properly. I have a compressor, and I will demonstrate and show how it works in reverse. If your unit is not providing proper cooling for any reason, one possible cause could be the compressor running in reverse. What is responsible for this reverse operation? Different PCBs have varying UVW positions. Currently, we have the power PCB and the IPM PCB. You can see that on all three terminals, WVU is labeled. The entire program operates based on these 3 points. If we connect the compressor's UVW incorrectly, the chances of the compressor running in reverse increase. Since I have this compressor set aside for testing, I use it to test various PCBs I repair to check if they are turning the compressor on or not. For this purpose, I have created my own system. I have set the positions of the 3 wires according to color coding. The U point comes to the green and yellow wire, the V point comes to the blue wire, and the W point is connected to the brown wire. Now, I will try to make the correct connections here. I'll start by connecting the wires. The W point is the last one, so I'll connect W first. Then, the center one is V, so I'll connect V. And lastly, I'll connect U to the 3rd point. Now, all 3 points are connected. I'm going to turn on the unit. You can see the light is working, and now look, the compressor has started up. Notice how the startup is very smooth. I'll show you by placing my hand near the suction side. You can feel that my hand is being pulled in. Similarly, when I place my hand near the discharge side, you can feel the pressure coming out. You can also visibly see the pressure coming out, and the operation is very smooth. The IGBTs are functioning perfectly because the unit is installed properly, and you can observe that it's running softly. The sound is very soft, and the unit is functioning excellently, which means everything is perfectly fine. Now, I'll turn it off using the remote. I've turned it off, and after a short while, the light will go off and the unit will shut down. Sometimes, even unintentionally, if we make the wrong connections, how will the compressor behave? I have now disconnected the wires, and let's see what happens when I connect them in a different order. I'm going to connect the compressor's U wire to the PCB's W terminal. V will stay connected to V, and the compressor's W wire will be connected to the PCB's U terminal. Now you can see that the positions are completely changed. Let's see how it behaves. I'm going to turn on the system again. I've powered it on, and the outdoor unit has also turned on. I'll turn it on using the remote now. Look, the same compressor has started, and all the IGBTs are on. But now the compressor's sound is completely different. You can see that it's not pulling my hand in like before, because it's pushing air out instead. It's doing something, but it's not functioning correctly. In this situation, the compressor will not work properly, and you won't get any cooling from the system. I won't let it run for too long in this condition, so I'll turn off the system now. You saw that, due to incorrect connections, the compressor can run in reverse. It may seem like the compressor is running, but it won't create any function or pressure. However, in such a situation, the sound of the compressor will change, and this change in sound will often be a clear indication that the system or compressor is not working properly. Whenever a technician goes to a site and encounters this kind of issue, they should definitely check the connections, as this problem can arise due to incorrect wiring. In the same way, the compressor can also get physically damaged if it runs in reverse. Click on the left or right thumbnail to watch our next videos, and subscribe. Thank you.